I'm going to show you how you can generate high quality leads in your first minute using Salesflow. Start by editing your prospect search criteria, and I'm going to look for people in California who are network marketers. Save my targeting and get prospect. Now I'm going to use our proprietary lead generation system called Salesflow. So here's my prospect. I'm going to send my prospect an email. I have an AI generated script I'm going to send, and then click to follow up. I see we have more time left, so let's do that again. Get prospect and launch Salesflow. Send an email, use an AI generated script, and book a follow-up. As you can see, Salesflow is the fastest, easiest lead generation system ever. Sign up today, and in 1 minute from now, you can be generating leads just like this.